Strong H automatic single-piece bottom hemming machine. It can open panel flat lock seaming process for bottom hem. Wig stitch automatic stop alarm. No need for skilled workers, reducing operating skill. It can automatic trimming, automatic edge folding, automatic grab and receive. No need to manually trim thread ends and collect material, saving labor. The sewing time for a single piece is 10 to 12 seconds. Open panel flat lock seaming process for sleeve. Auto feeding mechanism can be selected, saving labor. Fast and stable sewing.